So when you walk in, the first thing you see is SpongeBob. We did Galentine's yesterday, and this is what I painted. Isn't he the cutest? Don't be hating, the white wasn't showing up, so I had to make do with what I had. And it's just leaning against my gaming PC. And my gaming PC, on the left, I have this cute little sunset lamp on top of it, which like reflects on the back just to give it a little bit of extra light because it's pretty dark without it. I've got my streaming monitor, and then I have my Logitech lamp next to it with my camera. The big boy camera, this is for streaming. It's a Sony a6000 with an f something lens. I'll put it in the bio. And this is the camera that I use for TikTok streams. And of course I have covers on them. Make sure you guys get covers for your cameras because you never know, can end stream one day and your camera's still on, wilding out. I've done that once before. But luckily my camera was covered. And then down here I have my M&Ms that Call of Duty sent out in their Christmas package. Elgato Stream Deck right beneath it. I got this attached to my ring light on the right, which is that one right there. Got my Discord, I got my Spotify here, clipping if I need to clip anything, my camera to turn it off and on, my game to turn it off and on, the Sister Fun, Sussy Sisters, map count for wagers, Warzone game socials, and followers only, because sometimes people be walling out and want to be really trolly in my chat. And then right next door we've got my Go XLR, it's all pink, high ground keyboard with my Logitech Pebble mouses, wireless, and this just, I don't know where I got this from, I got this in Australia somewhere. And my two monitors, this is the Asus monitor 1440p, that's the one I game on, and I use this one as a second light because sometimes the light just don't be lighting. But yeah, I love the setup that I have going on right now, where I just have like my streaming on the left, gaming and stuff on the right. And then down here you have Philips Hue light, some tissues, got a little cute glass coaster. And then I have my streaming PC right next to it, my ring light right there behind it, Elgato mic arm with the Blue Yeti mic. Then down here, got my controller here and my Astro A40 TRs, and they just hang on there like that. And then I have my speakers behind my monitors and computer. And then I just have my IKEA chair. And then over here is my hoodies, all my hoodies and jackets I hang up here. I'm definitely a hoodie girl. As you guys know, I just love being able to get up, choose a hoodie for the day, and just sit and play video games. Right behind that is my little tree that I got off Amazon with the cute little fairy lights in it. Got a candle there, and beneath it is my star projector, and that just makes the room look super cute. And then I have these blackout curtains. So you guys saw the window in the beginning. It's a very big window. I usually have my curtains closed throughout the day because, you know, it's nicer for the background. These are my blackout curtains. Funny story, right? You'll see that I cut this in half. You can't really tell, but in real life you definitely can. It's cut pretty poorly, but this whole curtain was one big curtain. And when we were putting the rack up, the whole curtain would stop there. Not me sitting there for a whole half an hour figuring out, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to do? Like, I can't get it over to the other side. I'm gonna have to buy another curtain just so that I can fill the other side. I had a realization that I could just cut it in half and have one side on the other and then the other over here. So we figured it out, luckily, because this curtain cost me like 80 bucks. So I didn't want to have to spend another 80 bucks for no reason. But they're really good. If you guys need blackout curtains, these are so good. And look at, like, you can tell these are floor to ceiling windows. This covers a lot of light. And then right here is my mirror. And then moving on to my bed area. Now my bed area, I love like my room. This is like just perfect. Like, this is exactly how I envisioned it. This is my bed, and that's up on the bed. I got my little lamp, my MacBook. I got a little like memories book down there with all the cute little cards that I got from my friends and family. And then I have these lights in the wall. Now I didn't originally want it to go to the left like this. I wanted it to go straight up, but it wouldn't hold, so I had to go up and left like that. And I've gotten used to it, but I just wish it would go straight up because it looks strange. But anyways, they had these little like grooves in it, and it actually fits perfect with my strip lights. And so that's what I did on the wall, and it looks so good. I got my lamps. I had you can see the strip lights on top of my bed there, but it broke, so I need to change those over. But that's my bed area. It's nothing really exciting. My Echo Show here, my books that I'm reading right now. I'm reading The Son of Achilles at the moment, and then this is the book that I'm going to be reading next. The Obstacle is the Way. And then I just have my jewelry and stuff, and like a little jewelry thing, a little jewelry holder where I can put all my stuff, hair ties, bobby pins when I'm getting into bed. In this corner is just extra blankets and stuff. It's looking a little bit messy, don't mind it. And then I have just my battery charger for this camera. And then right here is my TV. Now I'll be watching bed in here, and this is the angle that I'll be watching in. See, it's not bad, but it's not bad, but it's not the best. But this is my TV. I was thinking of putting like a since I have so much room, like my room's massive, I want to put like a bean bag there and just have it like, so I can just sit there and watch my shows instead of sitting in bed and watching it at a freaking angle. But this is my TV. I have these flowers that Simon sent me. I have my candle, my room spray. These little lights I had stuck on the back of the TV, but they kept falling. So I just said, nah, enough's enough. I left it on the floor. Then I have just like my other vase over here with my fake flowers. Down here are my candles. And then these are all the books that I've read. But pretty much I fit my whole apartment in my room because it was just perfect. Everything fit. But that is my TV area. I was thinking of putting some stuff up there. I don't want to put another light up there. Maybe like some paintings or like some, I don't know. I'm gonna put something up there, but I just don't know what. So pretty much that's the whole of my bedroom in here. And now I'm gonna show you guys my walk-in robe. Turn on the light over here. Ta-da! So this is my walk-in robe. So you walk in. Guess who built that and stuck it into the wall? Me. No, because tell me why. Tell me why don't get this off Amazon. Like, this is the amount of clothes I have. Way too heavy for the bar. I had to get one of these to stick it in the middle so it could hold the middle up. Do you see how it's like bending down the middle? Yeah, so there's that. So this is my wardrobe. I put this in myself. Kind of proud, kind of not proud. It's just has to do because I was thinking of getting a whole ass wardrobe in here, like the IKEA ones and putting it here, but they were like 500, 700 bucks. I was like, no, there's gotta be a cheaper way. So I just thought, why not put a rod here, hang my clothes up, and then everything else can go at the bottom. So I did that. That's all my clothes up there. Oh, that's not all my clothes, by the way. My bed doubles as a wardrobe, so all of my clothes are down there as well, on this side and the other side. Anyways, and then I have just like my other drawers down below it, and my bags are like underneath there as well. I don't know if you guys can see. And then I have another like traveling bag. That's the Call of Duty bag that we got at Cut Next. It's actually such a good bag. It's so big. I've got my shoes on the left-hand side here. I really wish that fit underneath that way, but I just didn't do the measurements right, simply put. So now it's going on the left. I know it looks weird. And then on this side, you've got my beauty section, all of my things that I use every day, like my everyday stuff in this little thing. This is the bracelet that we made on Galentine's. It's so cute. It fell apart, but I'll fix it. My little mirrors, and then just like my everyday stuff. You guys have seen this all before. That's just where I do like my hair and my makeup, and that's pretty much it for my walk-in robe. And then now finally into my bathroom. Okay, so this is my bathroom. I love my bathroom so much. Double sinks because this is the master bedroom. A girl don't need two sinks, but I do use both. This side I use to brush my teeth, wash my face, etc. This side is for washing my hands and washing my makeup brushes. So I do use both. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty. The toilet on the left, my hamper here, and then bougie as fuck, but look, this is the heating. Oops! This is the heating for my floors. Let's turn it down because I don't know why it's on 32 like that. I think I put it up to 32 on that snow day. But these are to heat my floors, like what in the bougie. And then I just have my robe on the back of the door. These are all of my beauty products that I use. Toothbrush and toothpaste in the corner, my tongue scraper, floss, toilet, and then this is my shower. Oh my god, my shower is the prettiest thing in the world. Beautiful shower. And then I just have my my shower things in the corner. Double mirrors, love. And that is pretty much it. I love my bedroom so much. Like it all ended up working out. This house that we got, I'm telling you, we looked at like 500 different houses and we ended up on this one, and it was meant to be because it was perfect for everyone. I have the master bedroom because Haley and Nat both have streaming rooms, so it ended up working out that I got the biggest room out of the house because, you know, it was fair that way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Our Sussy Sister house tour should be up first, so make sure to go check out our Sussy Sister house tour on the Sussy Sister page. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye gang!